Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the guy was like walking around exploring the flowers. So anyways, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna walk around in my neighborhood and I got my airhorn with me. So yeah, because when I was running around on my electric scooter and I saw that girl and I waved at her, she had been not responding to me, so I blew in my ear horn at her. I bet you she heard it because it's so loud. But I was like, maybe that ear horn wasn't loud enough. But I'm gonna want to bring that one anyway, so I don't care if people heard that sound anyway. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this is what the guy takes a picture of the flowers. Look like in spring, but it's pretty. I love the flowers and when they're growing. I love those. So yeah, they're pretty nice. So, well, it's getting a little dark now, so it's dark. This is what it sounds like. It's loud. That's how it's like. Yeah. That's all. It's like, I didn't know why it's that loud, but it's louder than the. Well, a little louder than the car horn. So yeah. But it's really cool. So yeah. Alright guys, I found this neighbor right here. So we'll go and give it a try.
Run.
Alright guys. That's the same lady to who I honked at. It's funny. Yeah, it's the same lady that who I honked earlier from behind. Yeah. The one I just took off running. Alright y'all. So I'll see y'all in I'll make more videos of it, so I'll see you guys in the next morning and next afternoon. Well, evening. So yeah, see you in the next day. Alright guys, it has been the next day. I got a different one. So hopefully this could be louder this time. This is what it sounds like. So yeah, alright, let's continue with the pranks.
Run.
Alright guys, got these people up there.
Run.
There are some same girls coming back this way. I don't know if you can see them right there. They're coming back this way, so yeah. Hey guys. Have a great day, y'all. That's good. There's some people over there. Alright, guys. I got this air horn this time. So, let's continue to prank some more people. See her right there? That's my neighbor. She's out there filming. So yeah, that's really cool. That's my neighbor riding his electric scooter, so that's really cool. Yep. Alright guys. Well, it has been the next day. Look. I don't know if I got that, but anyways. That's my neighbor, the one who just filmed the other day. So, yeah. And there's someone talking behind us. So, yeah. Look, Jay.
Ain't much, buddy.
Look at his beard. Your beard. And I got my air horn with me. Yeah, that's what I was like. Wow. Yeah. Alright, see you later, James.
Okay, I'm just going right over here to look at this little boat.
Alright.
Run.
That's my friend Jackie right there. So yeah. Cool. See all those people over there? That's what I was like. Look, there's a lot of people over there just doing yard sales. For that. That's my friend Jackie right there. Very cool. See those people over there? That's them. I'm pranking these people over here. Here they are, guys. All right. That's my neighbor James. Turning back to the guy. Look at his ears. So yeah. Same neighbors. Alright, y'all. I just got my big air horn. So that's like, yeah, I got a bigger one. So yeah, right here, I got a bigger one. So let's do this. See that neighbor right there? Yeah. There's my neighbor again. Hey, look at his beard. Oh, nice and shiny.
My new car.
Wow. Yep. Nice. You got a new car.
I did.
It's a Jeep.
Yep, I just went and bought it.
That's cool. Look at your shiny beard.
I'm coming, baby.
Your
Honey, I'm
shiny
getting ready to go
beard.
inside, buddy. I gotta go take care of the dogs, okay? I
Alright.
just got home. I've been gone all day.
Wow.
Yep. So it's been a
Alright.
long day, so I got to go in, okay?
All right. Bye, James.
Bye,
Love
buddy.
you.
Love you too. Bye, YouTube. See you next time. Sorry it was so short this time.
Wait.
Run.
Well, guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out.